Hello friends, this is Barbara and I'm back with another crockpot meal. Okay, so this is cheeseburger soup. What I'm putting in here is 1 pound of beef and 1 pound of ground turkey, cooked and drained. And then, oops, sorry about that, gotta get my plate. Okay, 1 cup of carrots, 1 cup of onion, 1 cup of celery. We're going to get that all in there. Yum. All right. And then we're going to put 2 cups of potatoes in there. And then chicken broth. You could use beef broth. I mean, honestly, use what you like, okay? Alrighty, and then we're going to put a block of cream cheese. Then we're going to put some Velveeta in there. Sorry, I'm trying to hurry as fast as I can because I like quick things. Okay. All right, so we got that in there. Yep, give it a nice stir. Ta-da! Okay, so now we're just going to put that on there. I got cheese on my lid. But anyway, we're doing this at high for 4 hours and I will be right back. Thank you guys. Okay, friends, here I am 4 hours later on high. That's the consistency that gave me. And yes, I tasted it. It's delicious. I love that cheesy taste. I would serve this with some garlic bread or just bread and butter. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Share that with your friends. Okay, I love you guys. Bye.